There are still neighborhoods with roads closed in Santa Rosa working to recover from the earlier flooding today.
KRON 4's Jack Moment reports.
At Freeman's Home Improvement in Santa Rosa, the staff busy all day Wednesday taking orders in person.
Hello?
And over the phone.
There's been quite a few people coming in, last minute shopping.
The assistant store manager, Alicia Mans, says they give away free sandbags to people in town, but they ran out today. So if you do stop in, she says,
I'm just being prepared and making sure that they are coming in, getting everything they need at once so that they don't have to keep driving through.
And they got stuck there.
Customers like Jose Luna replacing defunct gear.
Someone's pump and it didn't work, stopped working.
He says his backyard flooded because of this broken pump.
I just make sure, see what's wrong with this kind of pumps. Because, you know, you can bring it again and again.
Fernando Marin came in for an umbrella. He says he's a roofer and business is booming.
We work in the rain. I need this too for the... We working in the rain for the licos.
Roads in Santa Rosa, like Industrial Drive and College Avenue, were flooded, but water levels were cleared by city crews and fire crews. The fire department tells us here at Road Drive it will remain closed as the danger of the park here flooding remains.